Ernie Curtis died this week, the only survivor of the 1927 Cardiff City FA Cup final side. Only time a Welsh club has won the cup. For Friday's Weekday Wales, Richard Sheppard looked back at that great victory.
As the 19-year-old Ernie Curtis prepared in the dressing room for the 1927 Cup final, that was the actual sound that he heard from the crowd in the stadium, a rare archive recording of the very first rendition of Abide With Me before a Wembley final, and it's been sung before the game ever since. I talked with Ernie a few years ago on the 60th anniversary of that Wembley win by Cardiff, and he well remembered the tremendous welcome that skipper Fred Keener and the team received on their arrival back in the Welsh capital.
There was 250,000 so met us in Cardiff alone. And every station on the way down were draped with the city colours.
On your way back, or when the train was coming back, Newport County, I understand, were playing Brentford at Somerton Park when you came past. Did you show them the cup?
Yes, Fred had it in his hand out through the window, the carriage window.
He didn't drop it?
He didn't drop it, but I dropped it when we were given permission to take the cup around the school, my school, which is Canton. And somebody said something to me and I was talking with it and I sort of tilted it. And the top of it fell off and bent the top. It had to go back for repair.
So at least it's got a Cardiff City dent in it in its history.
Yes.
You met King George V before the game. He was introduced to the players. What did he say to you?
Well, actually it was funny because I couldn't understand one word that he said, and I'd often been pestered afterwards by people saying to me, "What did the king say to you?" And I used to tell him to put them off. I used to say, he said, "How are you, Ern?" And I said, "All right, thanks, George." And he said, "I'll see you in the dressing room after the match."
Footballer Ernie Curtis, who died last weekend.